Okay, so Mimi's battery's dead, and it died when she was helping to clear the driveway. So she moved her car, parked her car right in the middle of the driveway, and now her battery's dead. So here's how we're gonna fix it. So today, one, I want to show you what I'm not gonna do. I haven't used this in like years. Might be time to throw it away. I'm not gonna use the 200 amp starter charger, even though that would work. Just I got to get a long extension cord, got to drag it out there, get it hooked up and start it up. What I am going to use is this. This is something that I've had for probably about 3 or 4 years now. Works great. So we'll see if it starts Mimi's car. Oh, there's the keys. And there's the seat in knee banging position. I'm gonna move that back because at some point I'm gonna have to get in here and give her a crank. Let's make sure it's actually dead. Oh, it's dead. All right, open the hood up. Oh boy, a lot of snow on that hood, huh? Oh man, one-handed hood open. Let's hope this thing. Oh. Yikes, guys. Oh man. Okay. Hope that thing holds. You think it'll hold? It looks a little bowed. Maybe we should knock some snow off before we get too far along. Figure out what she did with her snow pusher here. Oh, forget it. Let's just get her going. All right, guys. So here we go. Let's get this baby out. Start the battery. Probably from looking at the battery, it wouldn't hurt to clean some terminals. It's a little cold today, so I don't think that that's gonna happen. All right, so a lot of fun little things in here, but the thing that we need today is gonna need this. And we'll take the red one. First, yeah, let's do the red one first. Stick it right to the terminal. And then we're going to take the black one, turn it to the, or stick it to the ground terminal. Next, we're going to get the battery out. They sure know how to stick this thing in here so it can travel with you. Okay, so let's park this baby right over here. Take and okay, where did they stick the old starter? Stick this in here. And I would say that's all there is to it. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. Hopefully you won't take a ride. Alright guys, so tell me what you think about that. That's a heck of a lot easier than the old-fashioned way. These things are probably even smaller than this now. I don't know, because I've had that for a few years. But anyway, it just keeps working and working. I've used it to start a tractor. I've used it to start my motorcycle. You name it, I can start it. Alright, bye.